is so damn hot, hot. This shit is hot, 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 hot. This shit is so damn hot, hot. This shit is hot, 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 hot. This shit is so damn hot, hot. This shit is hot, 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 hot. This shit is so damn hot, hot. This shit is hot, 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 hot.
Big Jew nigga, the host with the mostest. Find a nigga up where the dough and the toast is. Jose, I keep it up like posters. Slap the first nigga that plays me the closest. Still drunk, still grabbing choaches. Dark and sneaky like the rats and the roaches. Careful in the way you cats approaches. Cause player, you more out of shape than the coaches. Junkyard nigga, collect yourself. You letting that persona affect yourself. That's not enough armor to protect yourself. If we catch you coming through the projects for Delph. So be smart, Duke, and spread the wealth. We got cannons here looking for a head to melt. Hit you with 8 shots before the first one's felt. That's how we do it round here, situation dealt.
It's the Indiana Jones